Hello students, let's review the story Gus Takes the Train. I'm gonna ask some questions. You are going to think and answer them. Let's begin. What does Gus have to do to get the train? What does Gus have to do to get the train? Run or jump? Correct. Gus has to run to get the train. What does Gus pull? What does Gus pull? A little bag or a big bag? Correct. Gus pulls a big bag. Who helps Gus to put the bag up? Who helps Gus to put the bag up? The conductor or the girl? That's right, the conductor helps Gus to put the bag up. What does Gus see in the train? What does Gus see in the train? A train full of kids or a train full of cats? Right, a train is full of kids. Who does Gus meet? Who does Gus meet? A bug or a friend? A friend. Correct. Gus meet a friend. What do Peg and Gus do in the train? What do Peg and Gus do in the train? Read and write or sing and play? That's right. Peg and Gus sing and play in the train. Who hold the cups? Who hold the cups? Gus or Peg? Correct. Peg holds the cup. What do Peg and Gus have? What do Peg and Gus have? A sip or a bite? Yes, Peg and Gus have a sip. What does Gus see on the window? What does Gus see on the window? A funny bug or a funny dog? Bravo! A funny bug. Gus can see a funny bug on the window. Who have fun in the train? Who have fun in the train? Pete and Tom or Peg and Gus? That's correct. Peg and Gus have fun in the train. Good job, students. Good job. Okay, my dear students, this is the end. See you.